Hello everybody and welcome back to NL Students Play, this week Exploding Kittens. Published by the Oatmeal and created by Matthew Inman. This is a card game that's been around for a while, Kickstarters and all that, and there's tons of different versions of this, and they're all designed to be able to play together. You have Exploding Kittens, you have Imploding Kittens, you have Zombie Kittens. And the whole idea is the cards go into it together and you shuffle them together, and it changes the gameplay every time. How it's played is every time, every hand, to start the game, everybody will start off with a diffuse card. They will also then get 6 other cards. So you have 6 cards in your deck, in your hand. Inside the deck are Exploding Kitten cards. The cards themselves, there are 1 less of those than are actually game players. Then you start the game. On each turn, you can do absolutely nothing but draw a card. Or you can play any number of these cards that do different actions. You can have a hairy potato cat, which you can use to just get rid of. Or if you have cards like this, if you have 2 of the same ones like hairy potato, this allows you then to steal someone's card from them. You pick a player, steal a card. You might get something bonus there. You can draw from the bottom. If you're worried about what's on top, draw from the bottom. It's always fun there. You can alter the future. You need the top 3 cards and put them back in any order you want. Helps you set up some attacks on everybody else. You have the attack cards. These are designed for you to end your turn without drawing a card, but whoever's next in line has to play 2 turns, which means they're drawing 2 cards. Double the chance of getting Exploding Kittens. You can play a favor, where a player of your choosing picks a card of their choosing. There's Shuffle, where you can essentially shuffle the draw deck up. There's See the Future, where you can see the top 3 cards. Can't change them, but you can't see what's being played. You can nope somebody's action card. One of these action cards that get played, you can nope it. You can even nope a nope. It's a lot of fun when that happens. And then you can skip, which means simply you play this card and you do not have to draw another card. So you're playing along, you're drawing a card. If you draw an Exploding Kitten card, well then, you can play your diffuse as long as you have one. Play your diffuse, it goes out, it goes in the discard pile. You then shuffle the Exploding Kitten card anywhere you want back into the deck. The second time it comes through though, you get that Exploding Kitten card and you have no diffuse, you are out. That Exploding Kitten card stays out in front of you, you are now out of the game. And it continues until everybody has their cards out. So there's 1 person left that has not gone boom. Will we have some fun where people have a lot of yelling and screaming because some stuff got stolen? Or will we even have it where there's mass death in a row because lots of Exploding Kittens happen? Find out as we play, NL Students Play, Exploding Kittens. Welcome back everybody to another episode of NL Students Play. This week we're playing Exploding Kittens Party Edition. Very fun game where we're going to play here a bunch of cards. Let's introduce everybody here at the table. Let's start with first Josh, aka
Chainsaw.
We have Judson, aka
Juddy Buddy.
We have Julia, aka
Lady Nick Scottish Play.
And we have Reagan, aka
Little Bug.
We have Terry Melrose, one of our leaders, aka
Team Money.
And I am aka Sean D. Alright, so we're Exploding Kittens. We're going to start. We decided ahead of time who was going to start this round. And it's going to be Team Money. So, play, card, draw, whatever you want to do. It's up to you. It's your play.
I'm going to draw.
Good luck. Don't explode.
Oh. First card. Horrible. I got the Exploding Kitten for the very first card.
You told her not to explode.
There's 5. There's 5.
There's 5.
There's 1 short of how many other people are playing.
Okay,
so
I'm diffusing it.
So that goes in the discard pile.
So this will be in the discard pile.
And you can shuffle that one back into
And now I can put the
What?
If you get exploded, you can put it back in.
She puts it back in.
Yeah.
So I can put it back in.
Alright, so it's my turn now.
Yup.
Ugh.
Terrible. First card, man.
Oh man.
Demon.
T-Money.
Oh.
You know what?
Starting
I'm
this out
going to
rough.
start out because I don't trust her at all. I'm going to play an attack. Release the torture bunnies. So I'm going to end my turn without drawing a card, and Reagan has to play.
No!
And Reagan knows my turn.
Still got to draw.
Fine. I will end my turn.
Hit it. Oh.
You know what? Again, I don't trust her. I'm going to play See the Future. I'm going to get 3 cards.
Wait, is it when you can change it or you can just...
No, it's just one where I
No,
can
it's
see.
just where you see it.
Okay.
Okay.
That's just so then I'll draw my card and end my turn.
Okay.
All right, little bug, what you got?
A little bit.
I'm gonna play the rainbow elfin cat.
The rainbow what?
The
Rainbow barfing cat, okay.
That
Oh,
does
Ralphing.
not say barfing.
Ralphing, okay, Ralphing. Barf.
She's got 2 of them.
It's a rainbow
Yeah.
cat.
She's got 2,
I'm
so
playing
Cats goes
two,
up like this.
so I get to steal a random card from another player.
who do you want to steal from?
Julia.
Julia, just hold yours up, let her steal a random card. You gotta hope she doesn't steal your diffuse card. Because if she has 2
Which is
diffuses.
why you stole her
I think you got
diffuse.
No,
diffuse.
she wished. Oh,
Alright,
go draw a card, bro.
alright. Draw a card.
Draw
Unless
your
you
card.
unless you're playing an attack.
Can I?
You can still play an attack if you want.
What do I have to play the tag? Or can I just like?
You can play whatever you want.
Okay.
You can play as many cards as you want per round.
I'm gonna play 2 hairy potato cats, so I get to steal a card from a player.
Yes.
Sean.
Oh.
Stealing all the cards.
Okay.
Alright.
And
Now
You're
you're
gonna
gonna draw.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna play 2 hairy potato cats. Let me steal a card from Reagan.
Let me have potato
You have
cats.
to draw 2?
You have to have 2 of the same one.
for it to work.
Oh.
You're taking your glasses off.
Don't see the reflection. Not that one. Not that one.
Sean.
No, not that one. Well, don't hold them where I can see them.
Choose that one.
There you go.
Pick one.
In the middle.
Pick one.
You were so close to her diffuse.
Seriously. She
It's
was.
showing us your card. Good job. All right. Julia, you play something, draw.
Oh,
What you
yeah,
gonna
yeah,
do?
yeah, I forgot.
We're gonna do that.
Just draw.
Okay. Go. All right, Josh, play a card,
All right.
draw one. It's up to you.
I guess I'll do See the Future.
Okay. So there you go. Put that in play. There's top card, middle card,
And
bottom
I
card.
can't change
so
them?
you cannot change the order. So when you hand it back to me, you can put bottom card, middle card, top card.
Wait, so
So the one you're seeing first, that's the top card. So they're basically working backwards. Top card back. So
also that means it look like this.
yeah, so that top one there is a bottom card right now. So that means string goes back into the bottom of this.
So that means whoever would get this.
Yes. So
Okay.
right now you're just seeing if there's anything there. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. That's and that helps you decide what you want to do next.
I'll just
You're back in the same.
I'll draw from the bottom.
All right, play your card there.
Trying to be a kid.
Alright.
Watch.
I would laugh if it's an exploding kitten.
Well, I would too.
Listen.
Draw from the bottom. Release the fireworks from your underpants. You gotta read these things, man. They're weird. All right, Judson, it's your turn.
I'm gonna play 2 catermelons.
Catermelons.
What do you do?
I'm gonna take from you, Sean.
I got nothing good.
Okay, I want this one.
Told you I got nothing good.
So,
All right.
Here you go.
Hold on, you still got to draw.
Oh, I gotta draw.
Draw or play. You can draw or play.
Oh, he got an exploding kitten.
I
Okay.
knew
So
that.
put the exploding kitten
Alright.
back. You can put it wherever you
Shuffle
want.
it in wherever you want.
I knew that was
But
there.
where we can't see it. Do it below the table so nobody can see it. Put your cards on the table so you don't mix them up. There we go.
Nice one, Judson.
I'm gonna shake you real quick.
Steal your diffuse.
So what of it? We got 2 people already defused.
Yep.
And now I know who not to steal from.
I know.
So that means there's only 4 people who have the views.
4 gold diffuses left. Yep.
Unless
All right,
they get
Jerry, it's up
stolen
to
by
you.
a certain somebody.
Team Eddie, what are you gonna do?
Keep winning.
chainsaw.
I
Tell him.
like
I think
your-
I'm going to end my turn without drawing.
It made me draw 2. Okay. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play two bearded cats. Okay. I did, it's okay.
Now you draw two.
And then I'll draw one here. Okay, that's one.
Okay.
And I'm gonna draw a second here.
Okay.
And I'm good.
Um,
I'm clean. I'm good.
okay.
Nothing bombed down on me now.
I'm going to shuffle the draw pile.
Okay.
I'll let Sean read
Shuffle.
what it says.
It says here,
You, Josh, what do you?
shuffle. Abacrab Lincoln.
I think it's
Abacrab.
pronounced Abacrab. Huh?
Abacrab Lincoln is elected president. Foreshore and shellfish years ago. I heal these cards and I heal the nation. Shovel the draw pile.
It's funny.
Josh likes it's okay. I've already seen the list in the next meeting. So it's fine. Alright.
Okay.
Draws. Alright.
I'm safe.
Alright, Mrs. Scottish play. What are you gonna do?
Treacherous woman that's
Lady.
yeah.
Lady.
Treacherous woman that's yeah.
Or you can give me a card yours, please.
So I can give it to you?
Yeah.
You get to pick one. So it's a favor.
Then you just have to draw it.
Get enslaved by party squirrels. One player gives you a card of their choice.
Party squirrel.
Party squirrels!
Party squirrels!
Ooh,
Alright.
that's an ugly card.
Chainsaw, you're up, sir. What you gonna do? What you gonna do with the cards coming for you?
What is a feral cat?
Feral cat is one that you would match up with another feral cat.
Oh, okay.
Some of these
So
you have to
like
have
what I
two of
would
the
do,
same.
Which
Harry.
cat can you do with any?
Oh,
The
no,
feral
feral
cat.
cat may be the one that you can do match with anybody.
Yeah, feral cat, because they're
So-
very
Wait, so that means I could
You can match it. You can match it with another cat, and that acts as the second
Or
cat.
you could just play two feral cats.
So if you were play a feral cat with like a catermelon, that acts as a second catermelon.
Or you
Or
could
unless
do
you
two
jump.
feral cats.
Yeah.
Two feral cats.
I'm just gonna skip my turn.
Okay. Skip your turn. So he skips. Commandeer a bunny raptor. Ends his turn without drawing a card.
Is that like
Jetty Buddy, go up.
Um,
Buddy Bunny. Yes, Bunny Raptor. Bunny Raptor. Just gonna draw.
okay.
Alright.
He's not dead.
He's
did
not
it.
dead.
Not dead yet. I'm not quite dead.
He's
Yeah.
not quite.
Not quite. He's
Oh,
almost
hey,
dead.
I'm going to skip. Yep. Crab walk with the crabs. Skip a turn.
Yep.
Or skip
Alright.
your draw.
I'm going to play Feral Cat combined with Taco Cat.
Ooh.
I'm gonna steal a card from Reagan.
No, I only have two left.
I know, I
Oh, man.
I got a 50-minute shot.
Julie, you get one.
That's the right one.
Something.
She's hiding out.
You
Give
know
me
what's
that card.
coming
Give me that
up.
card. Give me that card.
Oh,
You got her defused.
Someone's bomb-proofed. And someone's not. Alright. And I
Go draw a
draw.
card, go
And I
draw a
draw. And I
card.
draw my turn.
Draw a card.
Go, Reagan. That would have been funny if it would have been an
Oh,
exploding
that was the whole point. Was like, which one is she gonna hold on the hardest?
So like we want to steal from Sean. now.
Alter the future.
Yes, we did.
No, I want to steal from Sean.
So there's 3. You can pick those 3 and
You have it still on.
Yep.
put them back in any order you'd like.
If you can kill one
I
of them.
mean, you need to nope it now if you're gonna nope it.
Personally, I already like this order.
Okay, put it back then.
If you're gonna kill one of them, kill them.
Hey,
If you're gonna kill anybody, kill these two.
Don't
You
kill
have
me,
to
Kind of
Josh.
hard. Hey, this is a church-themed podcast.
Okay. If you're going to explode anybody,
There you go.
explode
That's
those
much
two.
better.
Alright, so I can.
I mean, she's not altering it at all right now, so. But you could have noped it when she played the card.
So I
All
can.
right, so it is now your turn.
I can do this, right?
You can.
Yes.
Alright, I'm gonna steal from Sean.
Okay.
Oh no. Gosh, you better not get it confused.
Don't draw anything from the middle. Middle's bad. Middle's bad. Draw from the middle. No, not the middle one. Not the middle. Ah! Okay, we're fine with that one.
Oh, so this I gotta match with another one.
All right, and you got to draw to end your turn if you're ready to end your turn.
draw.
So you got to draw to end your turn.
Huh?
You gotta draw to end your turn.
And your turn.
Wow, we're feeling feisty today.
Alright,
Exploding kitten.
Did I have to draw? I couldn't.
Did you have to draw unless you had a skip card to play?
No, I didn't.
Alright, so do you have your, okay. So now, take the
So
deck,
put the exploding kitten back in the deck.
hand him the deck there, Judson.
Oh,
Shuffle that in underneath the table so nobody can see
No,
it.
you could have killed him. He doesn't have to fuse. Sorry.
She's eliminating the
Explode.
table.
I mean, he.
Think about it, really, there's only me and her with the fuses now.
When you have 2.
I have to.
Wait.
Oh.
I'm not mad at
I
all.
stole hers. No, you're not bitter about it at all. We can
Not at
tell.
all.
You're not green with envy. Oh, wait.
Wow, Sean.
I hope this works.
Yeah, I'm
We'll
not green with envy.
Alright, Jetty Buddy, your turn, sir. You want to skip?
Jetty Buddy.
Step out.
Oh, thank you.
No. What? That was
Gary?
a good choice.
Terry.
I'm gonna say no to his skip.
Oh.
Yes.
I'm gonna say no again.
You gonna nope or nope? Nope or
Yeah,
nope?
we're
Put
gonna
on the
nope.
put on the
We're gonna
column,
nope or
nope or
nope.
nope.
You can nope his nope.
Alright.
You gonna nope his
No
no?
more notes.
I don't have any more notes.
Alright, then his turn is over.
Well,
You get
then-
skip.
Then I have to draw. That's fine.
Okay. Who's got a bunch of cards?
Nobody.
Not me. I only have 2. You don't want to take from me again.
No, because you don't have anything I want anymore.
She does.
No, she still has a defeat.
She's the only one who has a diffuse other than you.
I know, but it doesn't help me with this one. I want to do so. All right, I'm just gonna draw this turn.
Give
Just
me a
draw.
fairy.
We're good now.
Okay. I don't really want to play something that played attack.
You're gonna play the unleash some adorable penguin diarrhea.
Can I skip?
If you want to, if you skip, it skips one of your 2 turns that you have.
Because you have to draw
She
2
played
cards.
attack, so you have 2 turns. If you play skip, it eliminates one of them.
Unless you have 2 skips.
That's how we play.
I want to just know if your attack.
Oh, you can do that. That's even better. Nostradamus speaks the
I'm
truth.
dead.
Reagan's
dead.
out. And that also means that Exploding
Good
Kittens
stuff.
goes out of play.
Sean, I meant that to be for you because it's gonna be 1, 2, and then 3.
I know, but then he skipped
Alright.
it.
Yeah, I
You're
know
trying to
that's.
sabotage.
Alright,
That's
so
all
now,
I'm like.
alright,
That's why I was trying to nope you so that you could go ahead and
Yeah.
do it so that it would be him.
Because
Yeah.
now we're gonna lose because now he has 2.
not necessarily, I can get a
Now
bunch
you're
of them in a
gonna
row.
sabotage me.
Nope.
No, I knew I had to skip. I knew it.
Not necessarily. I should get the.
Oh, wait, can I put that?
Shove it in.
Make it
'Cause
to
you have
where
your
it's
diffuse,
Sean's
so-
turn.
Hey, Sean.
Wait, not everybody has a bunch of diffuses? What?
Shut up, Sean.
You're the only one who has to fuse it. Oh yeah.
I'm the only one
Says
that
he
uses a
would.
single diffuse yet.
Hey, you wanna do
He
me?
has 2 diffuses.
You wanna do me a favor, Sean?
Yeah, I'll do you a favor.
Yeah. You wanna do me a
He's not
favor?
gonna give you the
Yeah.
card.
Yeah. You wanna do me a favor?
You got do that one.
I'm not gonna give you one.
It's
Okay.
my choice.
Wait. So
And you still
And you
gotta
still
draw.
have to draw.
Draw, draw then, your turn.
You're out my hair, Julie.
Do
You
it.
like it?
this happened last time, I did. Of course, the exploding kitten didn't have to. Oh, never mind.
Okay.
Sean, you want to do me a favor?
Sure, I'll do you a favor.
He didn't give you the diffuse.
No, he's not.
I played two.
I mean, you play as many cards you want.
Sean, can you give me another favor?
Yeah, I'll do that.
He didn't give you the diffuse.
Wait. Now they're both diffuses.
Or that I gave him one.
No.
He didn't give him one.
Alright, and
Wait,
just
you'll
let's
have
draw.
two
They're both
cards.
diffuses.
Judson has to draw to end this.
Wait. You only have one.
Wait, hang on. Can I see?
No! Judson
Wait,
died.
hang on.
Hey,
Can I
hey,
see how
hey.
many cards you
No,
have?
no,
We have to.
No,
keep
I'm
Sean.
dead.
We
He
do.
only
It's
has.
not my problem.
How many cards do you have, Sean?
I got cards. That's all I need to know.
I think he only has 2.
Or
I'm
you
gonna
three.
draw from the bottom. If you'll
Okay.
give me the.
Sure.
Oh, it's Terry.
Bye, Miss Terry.
Oh.
No. Da, da.
Josh, only one left.
Yes.
And you? Alright, Judson, you're dead, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, put them in there.
So it's
Wait,
Josh
so
and
then I
Sean.
gotta-
Not dead.
They have to be the same together.
Julie, are you dead?
Feral cat is the only one that is multiple uses.
Oh.
So it's Josh, Julie, and Sean.
Oh,
Alright.
you're dead, Reagan?
I've been
Oh.
So
dead.
is Julie still alive, right?
Yeah, she's alive.
Okay.
Should I
Oh,
draw?
that's right, she used to do. So it's Julie's turn, so.
Oh.
Guys, should I?
Oh no, it's my turn, isn't it?
It's
My
your turn because I
That's
just
right.
died.
That's right. Okay.
It wasn't a-
For shame.
I could have played shuffle.
Joey, we have
Should
cards
have.
here.
It's not an exploding kitten.
I think I'm gonna.
What you gonna do?
I'm gonna see the future and I can change it too.
Okay, change the features. Alright, so here's the
that would be
3.
called alter.
Got alter future. So there's 3 cards. You can put them back in any order you want. And I'll put them face down on top of the deck. So Josh, so whatever you want to be the next, so 1, 2, 3. Put them in that order when I get, so face down will be there.
Okay. Alright.
Okay? And then you have to draw it end your turn.
You already put it.
No,
You
no.
can't change it. You already put it.
Joe,
You always have to draw it end your turn, let you
this
have
is my
a
first time playing.
You already put it. No, no, no.
Okay,
Draw. Draw.
With everybody-
Draw.
Hey. Moment of silence for Josh's choice here.
Oh.
Josh, did I just draw it for you? Can I
Yeah,
draw it for you?
silence.
Can I skip
If you
it?
have a skip card,
Yes,
you have a skip card.
Alright.
Good job, boo.
Alright, I'm gonna play first off.
Well,
You know,
now he knows what's
I know it's
there.
coming, so I'm gonna play attack.
Julia.
So Julia has to get 2. Do you have a nope or a skip?
Casket.
You can play skip it, I'll get rid of 1.
Julia, we need
Wait,
to
no.
get
Oh,
shot
that's
out.
all my turn.
Julia.
I still have 1
Julia,
turn.
we need to get shot
I'll
out.
shuffle it. No, Julia.
Okay.
Julia,
No,
we
we
need to
should
get shot
do
out. Hey, Julia. Actually, we
I
gotta
have
work
a
together.
plan
Actually,
for you,
because he has 2
Julia.
diffuses.
Teaming up on this. This is not cool.
We
I
can't
have
do
a
it.
plan for
You
you.
have 2 diffuses. We have none.
So, that's not a problem.
Julia, we
Because
can't
he's
like.
super sneaky.
We have to work.
I don't see how that's
My
possible.
favorite cards.
I know.
My 2 cards.
For shame.
These are bad cards, right?
Hey, no coaching here.
I'm kicking
Hey,
coach all
the
out.
dead are
Great.
silent.
I just gotta get both.
Draw.
You
Alright,
have to get another
Can
one
I
each
just
of them to use
attack,
it.
play an attack card?
you can. They can play that as one of yours, yeah. You can do anything in between your 2 draws.
Julia, be smart.
You can do anything you want between your 2
That for your
draws.
first one.
No,
Not
I'm
for your
just-
second.
Draw.
Because you can
Bite
play
the
an attack. You can play your attack and then he'd have to
I didn't
do
get
2.
anything bad. Alright, go Josh, you see.
That's what I say. You can play attack and he'd have to do it 2 as well.
Thanks, so.
Oh.
Just okay.
Okay.
I'll
Bruh,
try.
I can't.
I'll draw.
Okay.
20.
Okay.
I could get one of these, right?
Julia.
I'm gonna alter the future.
Okay.
That looks smart.
3
Hey,
cards.
Julia. Wait, I can talk to her, right?
Yeah, nobody said you couldn't dodge.
Can I say what I'm gonna do?
I mean, it's up to you.
Hey, Julia, I have to draw.
Alright. Yeah.
I have to draw,
I
Julia.
know. She knows.
Julia, why are you smiling? I have to draw.
Draw. Draw.
I have
Okay.
to draw.
Draw.
Wait.
I love
Quick
the
thing, real
sibling
quick.
love.
Just wait. Hold on. Before we move any further, did you draw your 2 cards from the other one? Because you remember you had 2
Yeah,
cards.
Yes, 2 cards. I got left.
I had to make sure. Okay.
Ah, stop.
Julia, I have
Let's
to
go.
draw.
All right, Josh. It's up to you.
Josh.
Bro, are you serious?
I don't have
No.
Why?
She didn't
You're
have
gonna
a
lose
second
now.
on people laptops.
Hey, no talking until you know it's only understand you. That's like a twin language.
So what gonna do? What gonna do?
So-
Put your
Draw my
mouth
So
card
you
in
that.
there?
solve into discard pile.
Oh, other than this though.
No, that even goes in there this time now because we don't
Josh,
do
turn
it.
off their card.
Because you're dead.
Okay. There we
So
go.
now it's just
Alright,
Julia
my turn.
and Sean.
First off, I'm going to play Alter the Future.
Means he gets to see the top 3 cards and change them.
He was asking about the Italian.
Oh, that I don't know.
And I will draw a card in my turn.
I'm
Julia,
gonna
you-
skip my turn.
Okay. Gone.
I am going to shuffle what's left.
Oh my! No. Julia, you basically
This is
lost.
all psychological.
He still has both of his diffuses, Julia. Here.
This is all psychological.
Okay.
This guy. It's done.
Julia. I'm like.
Oh!
That's a good one to play. Here, put them in there.
Attack.
That's a good one there. All right, so first off then, for one of them, I'm going to play Draw from the Bottom.
Please. Really?
Yeah,
And then you still have 1 more.
and then I can see the future.
Sean, let's
Okay.
make
Hey,
something
you know
funny.
what the 2 cards are.
I do.
You have to draw one more.
I do. I did. No, I drew the.
You just-
Oh, that's right. I didn't draw.
You have to, I attack.
I didn't alternate.
So I attack.
Okay, here we go.
So then
Draw.
the second
All
one.
right, I'm going to draw it. Give me a second. Okay, but I get to shuffle it back in
Oh!
wherever I want.
Do the one on this side.
serious.
Skip, right? I'll draw.
Julia.
Wait!
I'm in your head.
You didn't get an exploding kitten?
No, I didn't.
You're dead.
No, I didn't.
There's something you can do.
Because I got to put it in wherever I wanted. There's 2 cards. I didn't use something.
What if I just say no because no means no?
I mean, you can't note. You can't note my my draw. But
No!
you can't note the exploding kitten.
Nope to losing.
Julia.
Yeah.
You cannot note the
Nope.
exploding kitten.
Nope to this.
You can't
I can't
do that.
tolerate this.
Can't do
I
that.
Can
don't.
you nope draw?
scope actions.
Julia,
Drawing is.
just admit it.
I'm gonna draw for the bottom.
Okay, draw
It's
the
the
one
only
that's
one.
No!
All right, cool. All right, let's real quick get the Exploding Kittens. Let's play one more.
Okay.
One more real quick. So I'll get these Exploding
Give
Kittens.
me all the fuses.
Here we go. We're getting the fuses
I
out.
can't reach.
We're getting Exploding Kittens out.
That was so nerve-wracking.
There's a fuse.
This game's pretty fun.
Josh, when I did
Just one
Also the
second.
Future, I had to
That's
explode
everything.
Is that everything? Okay.
Oh. Still, it would have been better if I was.
Josh did his dumb.
You still gotta leave the exploding kittens out so you can reveal.
Oh, that's true. That's fine.
Oh yeah, I did. Oh yeah, I did sell it. I put it on the top. The exploding kitten on the top.
If anybody
Well, I really like
takes
that.
my defuse this
I
time,
bet
I'm gonna start a fight.
on mine. I was betting that she still had something to skip or alter it. So I was like, okay, I need to just put the taco cabbage was the last one I drew on the bottom.
Diffuse.
That
via
way
kitten
I can eat the
therapy.
diffuse and then draw that.
Diffuse via belly rubs. Diffuse via belly rubs. Diffuse via catnip sandwiches.
It makes me mad, actually.
Diffuse via laser pointer. Diffuse.
Julie, if you don't
via
know,
therapy.
is a competitive player,
Um,
and she does not like losing. So go ahead and get ready their diffuses.
diffuse. 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 You
There.
cannot take both.
Crap, man.
I did in the last game.
I like this one more.
Alright.
You have to start out with only.
Ooh, I want to
If you earn a second one, that's a.
Is yours a laser pointer?
No, mine is.
No, there's only one laser pointer.
I have diffuse for belly rub. What?
Yeah, I had to let
Hey,
it
while
go
I'm
last
shuffling,
time.
everybody read with your diffuse says.
Catnip sandwiches.
See? Whoa.
Kitten therapy.
Via kitten therapy.
Via belly rubs.
Mine's be a laser pointer.
So ice two, y'all's are the ones that repeat and ice don't. Read.
Well, there are others in the deck that we didn't use it. So, all right.
Now you're
Look,
defeated.
Sean, not the time to be logical. That is our vibe.
Then when is the time to be logical?
At school.
Makes me mad, actually.
Wait, what?
That's you, boo.
Oh, come on, I need like good cards. I said good cards.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I said good cards.
All right.
How many do you have?
Put your diffuse in there.
How many are we supposed to have?
You'll have 7 total with the
Okay.
diffuse card. Now I'm going to shuffle these in real quick.
Spicy.
I got a good day.
Is her hair very pretty?
Delish.
Wait,
Gotta
no.
hold it back like this.
No, Julia.
That'd be cute.
If you don't see this, that would be too.
Are you gonna make her a beard?
You have to realize we are reading.
It's like a bonnet there.
Yeah, I know.
All right, and then one quick cut of the deck.
I'm so proud of you.
All right.
She grew up here.
Okay. Let's see what I've got here. All right. Let's start with Julia this time. Second run up, we'll let the run up be the starting.
Or is that just because you didn't want to start him?
Could be either way.
And Alter the Future.
Okay.
Cardi doesn't trust him.
I shuffled, I cut, I cannot control the deck.
It's a little early for Christmas songs, dear.
Well, it's a green.
She channeling the Grinch.
She
I get
is.
that first card.
This is Halloween. This is Halloween.
All right, Josh, you're up, sir. What you gonna do?
Alright. I see how it is. I see.
Julia, did you act?
You can do it.
She did alter the future. She might control.
I think I'm gonna draw from the bottom.
Okay.
Oh.
Put in your discard pile.
Is it too early for Halloween songs?
There's not a lot of Halloween.
Did you
How many are on there? How many
There's
are on there?
5.
And you drew one for the bottom.
Easy this.
This is Halloween.
That's fantastic. All right, here, shuffle it back in. Wherever you like
Put
it, put
it
it
back
back
where
in.
you want it.
Put your diffuser goes in the discard pile.
I'm trying to think of a summer song.
Alright, bro. I see how it is. I see how it
What's
is.
the summer
Bro,
song?
I'm not gonna explain kitten the first
Anything
time.
but Beach Boys, I think.
What's the summer song?
Almost anything but Beach Boys.
Alright.
Wait till you're best friend.
Surfing in the USA.
That I
There you go.
The summer
Alright.
song I knew.
I'm
And
not
then,
on for
and, well, and he has to still draw. No, he
The
drew.
summer song that I
He
know.
drew. Judson,
Did you already draw?
Yeah, he already drew because he drew the exploding cat.
Okay.
The summer song
I'm
that I
on
know.
to the future.
Okay.
That is up to you, sir. Alba. Are we getting a medley? So
There we go.
Alright. Draw. Okay. Terry.
Do you trust Judson?
No.
Why don't you trust me?
Watch out, Terry. Watch out, Terry.
Wait, so anybody
Back
drawing?
up, Tara.
Back up, Terry.
That's Brent Snyder right there. That's that joke.
Yep, he would.
What is that?
I'm gonna need you to calm down like 20% here. Now you're starting to scare people.
I think I'm gonna play an attack card.
Oh.
Fire the crab-a-pult.
Why? Alright.
Feeling loving today.
I'm gonna start off by seeing the future.
Uh-oh.
1, 2, 3. You ever start yawning at church and doing worship and then you have like tears come out of your eyes?
Yes,
Yawning-
all the time.
Yawning is
So-
contagious.
She's so passionate about it. It's like,
No,
yeah.
one time I didn't go to sleep before church, so I
Alright,
just
so I'm
like fell
gonna
asleep
end my
while we
first
were
turn by
singing.
drawing.
Wait.
You put
Then,
an attack card, so you need to draw twice.
I know,
Has anybody
I'm
drawn
going to.
an exploding
But it's
kitten?
2 turns.
Yeah,
So
Josh.
we do that. So,
No,
Draw.
but after
okay.
Josh.
So now, no, yeah. So now I'm gonna play 2 catermelons, and I'm gonna draw from Julie this time.
Oh, thank you.
Poor Reagan.
No,
I
his
only
arm
keep on
started
making
going
rolls per
up.
game.
His arm started going up over here, so I thought he was gonna point at me.
Oh, you didn't want that one.
Okay, that's good. And then I'm going to play shuffle. A transdimensional litter box materializes.
Bro. Okay, sorry.
Julia, there's no screen in here.
Okay. And I'll end my turn by drawing.
Oh, it's my turn.
It is your turn.
Sean's good at this game.
So, I'm going to...
Strategize. I'm good at strategic.
I'm gonna play 2 taco cats, so I get to steal a card from another player.
Who are you stealing from?
I want to steal...
Who are you taking from? We don't allow stealing. That's
Okay,
against my
I want to, take something from, Terry.
I'll back up so nobody can see, so I'm not seeing what's being played.
Okay.
Okay.
That was a good one. I'm gonna play 2 hairy cat potatoes so I can steal a
Hairy
card
cat
from
potatoes?
another
Hey,
player.
cat potatoes.
I'll take something from Sean.
I'm gonna say nope. You're not.
Okay, then I'm not.
Oh,
She's like, never mind.
okay. Wait, no, I'm gonna note that.
I'm gonna nope your nope.
Okay, thanks.
How many notes?
I'll nope you nope nope.
Okay, fine then. I'm just gonna skip.
Okay.
I'll go.
I'm gonna play two of these so I can take your.
Chauncey, you should have saved your
I'm gonna
notes.
say nope.
How many notes did one person have? Goodness.
Sean, give me one of your cards.
Man, he's just laughing.
Okay.
No.
You asking for a favor? I'll give you a favor.
Because we got a note to the note.
We gotta
to
put
nope,
these-
nope, nope.
No, to the I to the.
I'll give you that one.
Alright, it's my turn. Guess what, Sean?
You think I got no more notes? You
Guess
think
what,
I got
Sean?
no more notes?
Guess what, Sean?
What?
Let me see from your paw.
Sean, do you got another note?
I'm out of notes.
Oh, wait.
No!
Wait.
Then at least 2 cards, at least 2 cards.
I need everybody to close their eyes.
Wait, one of those is a note. What? Diffuse?
No, he already lost his.
Come on. No, he did.
Yes, he did.
I haven't defused it.
If
So
you don't
I know you're hiding this one because you think I'm gonna get that one instead of hiding it, but I'm gonna get this one.
That's the wrong one to pick. I'm telling you.
What'd you get?
Okay. Yep.
All right.
You saw my strategy?
You gonna get it back? You gonna won't get it back.
Huh?
Say won't get it back.
You won't get it
He's
back.
diffuseless, guys.
You won't get it
Guess
back.
what, Tom?
I'll add that or I'll.
You got 22.
I'm not worried.
Really,
You'll
thanks
lose.
a
All
lot.
Alright, so I gotta go.
Guess what, Tom?
So want, you just have to end your turn with a draw unless it's a skip or attack.
Skip or what?
Skip or attack. Those are only two that let you.
I'm just gonna.
Ooh.
Please be an exploding kitten. Please be one.
No. Skip.
That'd be
Oh, I
awesome.
shouldn't have put it down.
That'd been awesome.
Alright,
That would've been fun.
I'm gonna play this. Now let's do it from
Harry
here.
Cat tail.
That diffuse is gonna go make its way around, isn't it?
I want this one.
That diffuse is gonna make its way around the table.
What, bro? How do you know?
Because you stuck it up.
Alternate future, okay? So top three,
Oh, y'all cracked me up.
shuffle them however
You
you
had a
want.
20% chance of getting that.
Good job in the math that quick. Good job.
According to my calculation.
Good.
Bro.
According to my calculation.
Hey! Oh, I thought that was blood kidding. You guys saw the black and that's
Okay.
the white outline.
According to my calculations, I think I'm going to attack. It's unleash some adorable penguin diarrhea.
That's
Although adorable and diarrhea should never go in the same
Alright,
sentence.
so I'm just gonna draw one to start with.
Ah!
I'm out.
And
Oh, he's
it's
out!
just
Catalog,
dead.
yeah, because he got my diffuser earlier, so
You're welcome, Sean.
I'm out. But I do get to put it. No, I'm out, so I get to keep it out.
You get to keep it out.
Oh. Okay, so I'm
Sean
gonna
is
draw
out of
from
the game.
I'm gonna
Now,
draw
you
from
can't
the
win
bottom.
every game.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just gonna draw from the bottom.
There you go.
Julia. Okay. Julia, you scared me.
What do you
Randy,
do?
how many cards do you have in your
I
hand?
don't.
No?
Okay,
Oh,
so
you don't have to tell her.
I have cards.
There you go.
And
I have a number of cards.
I have a specific number
Would
of
you even
cards.
say you had a plethora?
That's crazy that you got
Yeah.
that.
Can
I
I-
have
What
cards
you
in my hand.
Reagan, her cards are like pinatas. She has a plethora of them.
Okay. Okay.
That's a joke.
Okay.
That's a movie.
I don't know, y'all trying to be a little too nice. It's kind of scaring
I'm
me.
out. I don't care.
I don't want you to draw.
Trying to be a little too nice. It's
You
kind of
should
scaring me.
have played no. Well, she has to draw. All right.
Alright.
Chainsaw, what you got?
See the future?
Okay.
See the future.
So 1, 2.
Wait.
So top, middle, bottom.
Wait. It's top?
That's the bottom.
He
So
put
that
them
goes-
in the opposite order.
Yeah, I put them in the opposite order when I draw.
Wait. So this
So the
one.
first one,
That's
when you
the
pull it up
bottom.
straight
That's
up, the
the
first one is your
bottom.
top card.
So when you look at
So if
them,
you pull it up
this
like
one
this,
that
this
you're
is the
looking
first
at
one.
is the top.
So the one I'm looking at is gonna be the top one.
That's the top, and that's going back on top.
Okay, that's fine. So I'm gonna put it back. Oh wait. Oh yeah.
You'll put them back. Here.
You gotta put it back though.
I'll put them back the same order.
You don't look at the cards.
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Alright. I'm gonna take. I didn't look at the other one, but alright.
He just wanted to see what he was going to be getting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just take. Hey, just gotta worry about that.
Exploding kitten. Not playing.
I looked at a rule. All right.
Reagan, can you
Did I
do
do
me a
that?
favor, please?
He wants
Sure.
a call.
Give Jetty Buddy a card. No, show everybody what card to give him.
Alright. Now I'm gonna take a random card for your deck. Reagan.
Oh.
Just take it.
Is this the only
Let's
one you
go.
have?
Wait, Google.
That's the
What
only one
letter?
I had.
Oh.
How many you have?
He has 3 now.
That's the only card I had.
Hey, everybody. So y'all are out, right?
So in other words.
No, I'm not out.
So,
I
okay,
just don't have
wait.
cards.
In other words, we now have to change your gamer name for this episode from Juddy Buddy to Superman because you're invulnerable at this point.
Hey, everybody attack.
All right.
Oh, I give
Unless
him
everybody
everybody's
steals a
back.
And
card
then you
from
still
him.
got to draw a card, don't you?
No, I just drawed it.
He
You
did,
still want
he
to-
drew.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Brought it?
All right, T-Money. It's up to you.
He drawed it.
Unless somebody's got kryptonite, you're Superman. Nobody can touch you.
I'm going to skip.
You really only have one thing you can do.
Reagan, you can only draw.
I know.
Exploding kitten.
What is it?
You're gone.
Oh.
It's an exploding kitten.
You're gone. So Sean and you
She
are out.
went boom.
It's all your fault.
We're boom over.
Because he's so confused.
Julia, you have three you
Which
can
one you
get.
want?
Two, you
Here,
better not.
here, Josh, put your finger over.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6.
5.
5.
Bro,
No.
You could have spared him. You have the pieces to spare.
is it my turn?
Actually, that put you in
She
her
needs
too.
to draw to end her round.
I'm gonna attack.
Ooh.
Oh.
That
So that means
means
Josh
you have
gets
to
two
take
cards.
2 turns.
It means you have to draw 2 cards.
Unless you have a skip. If you play a skip, it eliminates 1 turn. But it means you can play cards, draw. and
Unless
play
you have a
cards,
note.
draw.
Okay, I'm gonna skip one of the turns.
Okay. So we're gonna skip
Yes,
the first
you
turn.
could-
But then I'm gonna also the future.
Okay, so
Use
do
up your
that.
skip card.
That's for your
Okay.
second card. That makes sense.
So that means I can get 3.
That's a good play.
Wait,
Yes.
Josh,
Yes.
why would you skip the first one?
Well, no, that makes sense because
Oh.
now he doesn't worry about the
That's
second one. He can.
But what if it was 2 good cards you could have drawn?
That's true, but if they're one of those exploding kittens, he automatically takes care of that too.
Wait, so
So you put
So
those
put
3
it back in the order that you
whatever.
want.
No,
put down.
he alternates, so he can put whatever order he wants.
Yep.
man.
So whatever you want to be on top, put on
One
top.
of these I'm definitely not getting. But then I don't know what I want between these 2.
Well, it doesn't matter, but you just it's more to make sure
Okay.
you don't end up with an exploding kitten.
Yeah. I'm just gonna put these and I'm gonna get this
Okay,
one.
and that is the end of your attack turns.
Ah.
Hello.
Well, say hi. Say
Oh,
YouTube
yeah,
video.
but-
Yeah.
We have people up. We'll be done in just a minute here. So, Jetty Buddy, it's up to you.
Did you draw?
Yeah,
Okay.
Did you okay?
I'm going to draw from the bottom.
Okay.
Oh. Okay.
it's not like it should be.
All right.
All right, Julia.
Oh, where's the...
Scottish lady.
Yeah, because I am.
Jonesy, do me a favor.
What do you want?
Wants a card, any card, you pick.
Okay.
Give her
Maybe
one
the
of
fuse.
these.
You got the rainbow.
Taste the rainbow. Of the Ralphing cat.
It's my turn.
That sounds.
No,
She has
that's
to
good.
draw.
Oh.
All right. Chance up.
Turn,
I feel like this is gonna be Exploding Kitten because
Exploding kitten.
well,
And you don't have a diffuser, so just keep it
He
in front of you.
doesn't.
Just keep it in front of him. All right,
And
so
I
there's
say
3
put
left. Yeah, just put that in this card pile.
Josh.
Okay. 2 minutes.
I have 2 bearded cats, so I'm going to steal one of your cards randomly. And I think I want it to be that one.
Okay.
Got it.
And then draw it at 10 your turn.
And you lost it.
And I lost one,
Okay.
so I still have another one.
Yep. Shuffle it in while the Scottish lady figures out what she wants to do. Scottish play. The treacherous
I'm
one.
gonna attack you.
Okay.
okay.
So that means you get the top cards.
See,
You play twice, so you can play cards, draw 1, play cards, draw 1.
I don't care. Okay.
So there goes one
Drop-
of his.
so that one shuffles back in.
yay.
So shuffle it back in, and then you still draw one more
Here,
card.
I'll shovel in. I'll put it randomly. I mean, granted, usually you do it so that way you know where it's at, but we'll make it more fun this way. You got too many pieces anyways. All right.
Thank you!
I'm sorry, dude.
How many diffuse do you have?
That's his last one.
He still has one.
All
No,
right.
he doesn't.
No, he doesn't.
Now put
Are
it
you out?
in front of you.
I'm not out.
Oh, you're
Yeah,
not.
just leave me here in front of you.
You got a diffuse.
So now it's Julia and
Now I
I.
have no diffusers left.
So
Wait,
you're out.
so I'm the... Oh, we're still playing?
So did you just play? Did you put another diffuser? Or are you
Yeah.
out? Okay.
Yeah,
so
he's done.
okay. So yeah, let me put that one back in here then.
Wait, so you don't have any, but you're still...
He's out diffuses.
Yeah,
And you have...
All right, Sherry, what you gonna do?
I'm still in.
But you don't have any diffusers, right?
Uh-uh.
All right.
It's
I
like
think the fuses are all out. Except for you, okay. Viola can come back, have 1 diffuses, come back to win it. Alright? Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody had kryptonite for Superman, so he's in danger now. Alright. Nope. Attack means you don't have to draw.
So I'm going to skip one of them.
Okay. Alright.
I'm gonna attack you.
Ooh.
But you have to choose 2.
Okay.
I'm gonna draw from the bottom.
Okay.
And then you also still have to draw from the top. Because you
I've
saw
never
it.
gotten a nope.
Hey, the draw from the bottom goes in the discard.
Sean, both games I never got a nope.
And then I'll draw your from the top.
I didn't have any in the first one. Alright.
I'm going to see the future.
Okay.
Okay. Well, I will draw mine.
Okay.
Hey, I already knew that was
Okay.
happening.
Let me see this one. Shuffle real quick. Remember it's going. Alright.
Can you do me a favor? Let's do that card.
You're gonna need it.
So there are no more diffuses in play. All
There
right.
are no more diffuses. Okay.
Come on, that's it.
It's not my turn.
It was mine. Now it's Julia's.
My dick's getting awful short.
It's getting real low.
I'm gonna Actually, although it looks like there's 3 cards left.
It's like
Four.
four.
Now there's 3.
Four, and there's like 2 just exploding kittens in there. So half of them now are exploding kittens.
More than half.
Both.
Oh my.
Oh.
Both of them.
I mean, I would say shuffle, but
Not gonna make a big difference. We know what they are. They're doom.
oh,
Ah. I think somebody maybe not put. Oh, we didn't put that one back in.
You need to put that one.
Yeah, we need to put it back in as long as you're alive. Gotta put it back in.
So that
What
one.
does it matter then?
It's not gonna make a difference.
Okay, let me just draw.
Terry would have died though.
But she would have. Well, she had a third chance. All right. Good to hold on to that one to the end.
skip.
Oh.
Nope.
Oh. He noped your skip.
That's
That's wins. All right. Thank you, everybody. This has been our
No,
episode of Exploding Kittens.
Nope.
Hey, shh. This has been our episode of Exploding Kittens Party Edition. We hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next episode. Bye, everybody.
Bye.